Introducing the Vara Plus Eco, a smart, ecological vapor control layer specifically designed for internal wall structures. This eco-friendly product is made from up to 62% renewable FSC paper, reducing carbon emissions in buildings. Designed for air tightness, it provides active moisture control with hygrow variable technology and prevents heat loss through insulation. Before you begin installation, ensure you have the required tools, including a utility knife, measuring tape, Kenizo tape, helping hand applicator, stapler, and a chalk line or laser level. Proper preparation is key to ensuring the best performance of the Vara Plus Eco membrane. Mark a level line to position the membrane correctly. This can be done with either a spirit level, chalk line, or a laser level. Position the membrane horizontally, starting at the bottom of the structure. Cut according to length. Offer up the membrane to the marked line and begin stapling at regular intervals. Ensure the membrane is taut when stapling to the stud work. Use the guide markings on the membrane to secure the membrane firmly. When fitting an internal corner, find the fold for the floor connection. Cut from the point on the membrane and fold over. Use Kenizo tape to secure the joint. It is better to cut and tape than to fold. For internal corners using Kenizo tape, create a cut on the split line and fold the tape at a 90-degree angle. The split line cut folds over on itself, creating an internal airtight corner. Apply pressure using the helping hand applicator. Ensure an overlap of 100 mm or 4 inches for the membrane connections. Apply Kenizo tape on the overlap, both horizontal and vertical. For membrane to floor connection, apply Kenizo using the helping hand applicator. Ensure the floor is clean, dust and grease free for the application. Use the Kenizo patch to cover penetrations made for the installation of cellulose insulation. For quality assurance, ensure that the Kenizo tape is applied using appropriate pressure with the helping hand applicator. For further information about the Vara Plus Eco product system, or if you have any questions, visit our websites. Check out the other installation videos to learn more.